Isabella. Isabella. Isabella, right here. Hey. Baby, did you crawl under the coffee table? Did you crawl under the coffee table? Is that your fort? Huh? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you under the coffee table? What? Hi. Hello. What are you doing? Be careful, you're gonna hit your head. You can't crawl under there. I guess you're not gonna hit your head. Hello. Hi. Hi. What are you doing under the coffee table, little girl? What are you doing? Isabella. Isabella. What are you doing? What are you doing, silly? Isabella. Hey. Hi. Isabella. Hi. 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 Boo, what are you doing under the coffee table? Is that your fort? Hmm? Is that your fun place? You're silly. You're doing exercises under there? Hi. Yeah, you like it under there? You like it under there? Baby. Baby. Hi. Be silly girl. Hey. Be careful you don't hit your head.